All right, Phil, you still with us?
We love that.
This was especially for you, Phil. I know you have, buddy.
That song played in November through February.
Yes, can I help you?
That brings a smile to my face. Thank you very much.
Okay, you got to wait
You're
till we're
quite
done with this
welcome.
call,
You can
okay?
thank Rich Paul for that. Rich puts everything together on the other side of the glass. He's a great engineer for the show.
He's my hero. Thanks, Rich.
You're welcome.
And he gave you a great nod, and he says thanks back. Phil, thank you very much for calling in today.
Well, I love all your guests out there. Coney Island Lou and Ann from Northern Bear, my favorite pet food shop. And B-Girl and John and Matt the intern, congratulations on your new fan club.
Oh, yeah. Matt the intern has some fans out there, and Matt just gave you a wave also. He's out there with Rich.
All right.
And we got Veronica girl here, came up from South Jersey. You want to say hi to Phil, Veronica?
Hi, Phil.
How you doing there, Veronica?
I'm doing fine. How about yourself?
I'm doing good. I've lost about 17 pounds on this new fitness craze.
Oh, my God. You got to be kidding me.
Oh, it's working
That is so
great. I'm sitting here
good.
listening to just about ready to describe Coney Island's hot dog. No, it's working good. I've been going to the gym usually on Fridays, so I kind of miss half the show. That's why I haven't been calling in a whole lot, but I'm glad to be able to be with you guys today. Great show.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Thank you, Phil. Hey, Phil, I know you're going to be spending some time with one of my favorite people, Jack Castro, tomorrow.
Yeah, he's coming over tomorrow. We're just going to do a movie afternoon, a little beer and some munchies if I can be good and not get carried away.
Well, you let Jack know that we're thinking about him and hope he's doing well, and say hello
great.
for all of us.
He actually is doing great. He's enjoying his retirement from the fan club and exploring some other interests right now, but I will definitely pass along your best.
Yeah,
All
do
right.
tell him that I said hello, Phil.
I sure will.
Phil, now what we're talking about today is if you've met celebrities and what your feelings were, and what is a good story about meeting a celebrity. And I know being out in California, I know you've met quite a few, and you have a couple of good stories that you like to tell us.
You know, a couple